Hello guys, today I will solve the question N-ary tree level order traversal. The question number is 429 and the question type is medium. So the question statement is given an N-ary tree, return the level order traversal of its nodes value. N-ary tree input serialization is represented in their level order traversal. Each group of children is separated by the null value. Let me explain you by the example. So here after this one you will see a null, then 2 3 4 5, then null, and again after 6 7 there will be null, after 8 there will be null. So it is each level is separated by a null input. So it is an array serialization. Now we need to return like this. Let me explain you. It is 1, right? So we will open and close a function. Now we need to return 2 3 4 5, then 6 7 8 9. It is level order traversal, right? So it is that we need to return. So it will be the value will be like this. So now let me explain you the solution. So it is our the solution, right? So first this function and this function. So we need to return the vector of the vectors integer, right? So if there will be no value, then we need to return the empty vector of the integer vector, right? If there will be value, we will assign answer vector. We will return this, and we will call this function level order root. We will put the input in that function as a root, 0 as a level. It is a level, so we will first check the level 0, then answer it is our this vectors of vector. So we'll put what we are doing. We will changing the value by the checking the level. Like when level will be 0, we will put the answer. When after the second time when level will be 1, we will put answer. It may happen that after level putting the level 2, we can again go to the level 0 and put some value. If it happens like that, we get situation like that. Like in this situation, when we put 11, then second time we will go here, then we will put 12 again on this level 0 1 2 3, right? So it may happen. So what we are doing, first we will call the function level order, and we will give input as a level 0, right? Now if level is equal to size answer, like if it happens like in the answer value is only 2, like 2 vector is there, like 1 2, and this level is like 2, right? So what will happen, 0 1 2, it means that the third level is like 0 1 2, the level is 2, third level is coming, right? So we need to make a level like here. In this else condition, we can directly change in the level, like answer level 2, we can put the value, like there is already 1, we can put 2 in the level 2, right? But at the first time when there is no value in level 2, we need to push directly, that is answer dot push node value, because there is no array, no vector for that level. If the size of that answer is exactly same as a level. So we are doing here in the else condition, we will put that value in that level, because there is already a level with that level order, right? So it is if an else condition, and now we will call for the next level, like level plus 1 for the child purpose, and we will call the for loop for each child, right? So we are doing this. Now see how our code is running. So it is our code, exactly the same code, and it's running, right? Thank you.